All right, Chad, so what we're looking at here is a 1940 Ford that has been heavily modified. The body has been smoothed out, all the chrome has been stripped off the car, the rain gutters have been ground down. On the rear of the car, the rear license plate has been Frenched in and the taillights have been relocated. She is powered by a Chevy motor, so it's a hybrid. 350 ZZ4 fuel injected, and aluminum heads, and it's pushing about 420 horsepower to the axle. It has power steering, power brakes, um, air conditioning, so all the modern conveniences, and that's about her.
Guys too. So these guys sold that. Plus I sold my second.
Verizon's 5G network. Pretty simple. You keep good people like people. And Walmart. Straight wireless. Check quality. Always.
My name is Earl Hoyt. I'm the Vice President of Tri-Beach Cruisers. You're standing here in front of my 1957 Dodge Custom Royal Lancer. I bought it in 2014 after 3 years of searching for it out of Colorado. My father had one when I was a child, and I bought this for him. And I think he lived 4 years longer for this car because all he talked about was this car. But it's been restored. It's a national award-winning car. I've gotten my first junior, my first senior from AACA, and I'm planning on taking it to the Grand Nationals next year to see if I can get a Grand National award.
1974 Pontiac Trans Am clone. They were honest. This is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This is a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a 1966 Oldsmobile F85 Deluxe.
Years we had a park club up north. Yeah. That guy always do. What's that? Western part of
A 1967 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. Now this, folks, is a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Belongs to a good friend of mine, and it is always a pleasure to see it at any car show. He's done a lot of work. It is definitely a head turner.
That's one daily GLP-1 pill. Big results. Now on the You know what's wild? Most people are still overpaying 50 insurance minutes and hope to fast. No spam calls or maybe
The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Here's another fastback, 1968, and her name is Brandy. 65 Ford Mustang. As you can see, there's a pattern here. Here's something a little different. This is a 1958 Triumph TR3A, the White Knight. (1972) Ford Mustang. 1976 Datsun 280Z. 48 Ford. And what makes it different, it has a 1941 front clip. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. All right, this is a little different. 1997 Mitsubishi, and I may be pronouncing it wrong, Pajero. Pajero. Right-hand drive. 1965 Pontiac GTO.